Welcome back to Punya channel. Right now we have the TUF gaming capture box 4K 30 FPS and the capabilities of capturing to 1080p 240 FPS, and this capture card is considered as a 4K beast for an entry level price with only 800 ringgit or 200 USD. Let's unbox this and check the design and features. So as we are trying to open this one, what you have inside is the warranty card, video capture box, TUF gaming capture box, quick start guide on how to use this product. So you have the HDMI cable, HDMI to HDMI cable, SSD to USB-C, maybe this one is like a Thunderbolt USB-C, pin 3.5mm male jack, and your USB-C to USB-A. And your capture box. This is your capture card devices. This look really tough, you know. As for the design and features, I can assure that this is the best design so far compared to the other typical capture box or card. The looks are very tough. You have your RGB indicators to tell you the connectivity with different lighting effect. Just plug and play the USB to your computer. Front area, you can connect your console controller. For party chat that I didn't use it much, headset jack, and it is a 0 decibel fanless cooling tech. And as for the specification, it is using the fast gen USB 3.2 Type-C, supported until HDMI 2.0 only, and not the 2.1, 2.2, not using the DisplayPort. And maximum video pass-through for this capture box is 4K 60Hz HDR, 2K 144Hz HDR, and 1080p 240Hz HDR. For the max video resolution, it can goes up to 4K 30 FPS, 2K 60 FPS, and 1080p 60 FPS or 120 FPS actually. Now the test for the Netflix test out can support to 4K HDR. So right now I'm setting my Nintendo Switch to my TUF gaming capture box, and this display is showing that if it's light up like an RGB, it means successfully connected. When I try to get on the Persona 5 gaming on the Nintendo Switch, I can't feel any lagging or buffering using this capture box, and the sounds is very smooth, like there is no delay to the sound system. And also this one proof that if you are using the capture box, this is the best for you to make sure your output and your input are the same as your sound. Perfect for streaming and gaming.
No fucking sense.
The good thing about this capture card is you can connect your camera, and now I'm using the Sony camera, to your TUF gaming capture box directly without any delay, and the color signs are correct. As you can see, right now I'm using this TUF gaming capture box to my camera. Testing 1 through 3. As for your information, this ASUS TUF gaming capture box are certified by OBS or certified for OBS usage. OBS is a system where you can record your game, and backed by OBS Studio certification, ASUS TUF gaming capture box delivers masterful video content tailored for your favorite streaming platform. The best thing about this capture box, actually you can use the standby mode USB 3.2 or the standby mode USB 2.0. Then it can show the indicators with blue light, green light, party mode on, with red light, to yellow, party mode off, with RGB, HDCP detected, HDMI signal interrupted, device signal abnormal, and firmware updating. So it has many different color to show you how to use this kind of ASUS TUF gaming capture box. And as for the setup, if you have a laptop or computer or the console, you have to connect your gaming device to the HDMI 2.0 and through the USB 3.2 Type-C to the streaming computer. And for the controller, you can connect your 3.5mm jack to your controller 3.5mm jack and also your headset audio in. Also, you can control your capture card LITE control just by using the ASUS video capture console, and it has the information here to control the audio control, LITE control, live update, diagnostic, product information, and many more to control your capture box devices. Also, for the advanced audio control, setting up audio and HDCP detection through the input HDMI controller or the headset, headphone, and microphone detection, and also the volume. This is the important part where you can control the volume up and down, and also the HDCP detection on off allow free contents from iOS device to be watched and recorded. Well, I can see that there is some electrostatic occurrence on the upper area of the capture box, but you are not going to touch it while gaming, so it's not even a problem. As for my final verdict, with 800 ringgit capture box budget is quite a decent one because of the capabilities of capturing 4K, and not just the pass-through, but it will be on par with Elgato 4K, NVIDIA 4K, and other 4K capture or capture box. If you are interested to buy this TUF gaming capture box, just go to the link down below to buy, and thank you very much. See you again.